In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your data on QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. Having a backup of your financial data is crucial because it ensures that your information is safe and can be restored if something goes wrong. So let's get started with this quick and easy process. First, you need to go to QuickBooks, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the sign in button. Give that a click. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These are the credentials you use to access your QuickBooks account. Enter them carefully, and once done, click on the sign in button to access your account. With your account open, it's time to go to the settings. Navigate to the settings option, and you can find this by going to the top right corner of the page once again. Here, you can manage different aspects of your QuickBooks account, but today we're focusing on exporting your data. Once you're in settings, look for the option that says Export Data. Click on Export Data and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage your data exports. This feature is designed to help you create backups or transfer your data into various formats. On this page you'll see a list of different data that you can choose to export. You can toggle on the types of data that you want to back up. These options might include data like your company information, reports, or lists. Select the data types that are most important for your business or the ones you wish to keep copies of. After selecting the data, the next step is key, exporting it. Look for the button that says Export to Excel. This will download your selected data as an Excel file directly to your computer. Make sure you have Excel installed on your computer so you can open this file, but even if you don't, you'll still retain a backup file that you can access at any time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully backed up your important QuickBooks data. Remember, keeping regular backups is an essential part of managing your business information securely. It's advisable to repeat this process periodically to ensure that you always have an up-to-date backup. Thanks for watching this tutorial and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.